And voila! All that gives my life validation is explaining the echo flower. No one can know. Never trust a flower, that's one of the constants of this world. Never trust a flower, that's one of the constants of this world. Yo, are you sneaking out to see her too? Awesome, she's the coolest, right? I'm gonna be just like her when I grow up. Hey, don't tell my parents I'm here. What? Haven't you seen a guy with 2 jobs before? Fortunately, 2 jobs mean twice as many legally required breaks. I'm going to Grillabis, wanna come? Yeah. Well, if you insist, I'll pry myself away from my work. Over here, I know a shortcut. This makes sense, don't worry. Fast shortcut, huh? Hey everyone. Hey Sans, hi Sans. Greetings, Sans. Hi, Sansy. Hey Sans, weren't you just here for breakfast a few minutes ago? Nah, I haven't had a breakfast in at least half an hour. You must be thinking of brunch. Here, get comfy. Oops, watch where you sit down. Sometimes weirdos put whoopee cushions on the seats. Anyway, let's order. What do you want? Fry. That sounds pretty good. Grillby, we'll have a double order of fries. So, what do you think of my brother? Cool. Of course he's cool. You'd be cool too if you wore that outfit every day. He would only take that drank off if he absolutely had to. Oh well, at least he washes it. And by that I mean he wears it in the shower. Here comes the grub. Want some ketchup? Yes, bon appetit. You tip the ketchup. The cap falls off and all the ketchup in the bottle pours onto your food. Oops. Forget about it, you can have mine. I'm not hungry anyway. Anyway, cool or not, you have to agree that Papyrus tries real hard. Like how he keeps trying to be part of the Royal Guard. One day, he went to the house of the head of the Royal Guard and begged her to let him be in it. Of course, she shut the door on him because it was midnight. But the next day she woke up and saw him still waiting there. Seeing his dedication, she decided to give him warrior training. It's still a work in progress. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you something. I noticed that the time was frozen. Have you ever heard of a talking flower? Yes. So, you know all about it. The echo flower. They're all over the marsh. Say something to them and they'll repeat it over and over. What about it? Well, Papyrus told me something interesting the other day. Sometimes, when no one else is around, a flower appears and whispers things to him. Flattery, advice, encouragement, predictions. Weird, huh? Someone must be using an echo flower to play a trick on him. Keep an eye out, okay? Thanks. Well, that was a long break. I can't believe I let you pull away me from work for that long. Oh, by the way, I'm flat broke. Can you foot the bill? It's just 10,000 G. Just kidding. Girl, put it on my tab. By the way, I was going to say something, but I forgot. Use the box. Yes. I forgot to equip that. That's slightly awkward. The stick will not be useful anymore. Let's take some monster candy. There's a tutu lying on the ground here. Will you take it? I got the old tutu. Hi, Undyne. I'm here with my daily report, regarding that human I called about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What, did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard, Undyne, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take the human soul yourself? But Undyne, you don't have to destroy them, you see. I understand. I'll help you in any way I can. Yo, did you see the way she was staring at you? That was awesome. I'm so jealous. What did you do to get her attention? Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. He doesn't have hands, so this will happen a lot. A feeling of dread hangs over you, but you stay determined. When 4 bridge seeds align in water, they will sprout. Iron Flex is in. Flex, you flex. Iron Flex is twice as hard. Attack increases for you too. Flexing contest. Okay, flex more. That's flat. Just thought you should know. You flex hard. Iron Flex is twice as hard. Attack increases for you too. Nice. I want to lose though. You flex. Iron flexes very hard. He flexes himself out of the room. You won. Earned 0 XP 30 gold. Congratulations. You failed the puzzle. There's a lone quiche sitting underneath his bench. Will you take it? You get the abandoned quiche. I just wasn't ready for the responsibility. Abandoned quiche. Hello, this is Pyrus. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours. So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She told she saw you wearing a dusty tutu. Is that true? Are you wearing a dusty tutu? What will you say? Yes. So you are wearing a dusty tutu. Got it. Wink wink. Have a nice day. Sneak. Wishing room. A long time ago, monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. If you hoped with all your heart, your wish would come true. Now, all we have are these sparkling stones on the ceiling. Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that. That's rude. Come on sis, make a wish. I wish my sister and I will see the real stars someday. Look through the telescope. Check wall. Seems my horoscope is the same as last week's. Ancient writing covers the walls. You can just make out the words. The war of humans and monsters. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seemed that they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the soul of a single human. But humans have one weakness. Ironically, it is the strength of their soul. Its power allows it to persist outside the human body, even after death. If a monster defeats a human, they can take its soul. A monster with a human soul. A horrible beast with unfathomable power. It's illustration of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about this drawing. The Angel of Death. Yo, did you see that? And I just touched me. I'm never washing my face ever again. Man, are you unlucky. If you were standing just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. Oh, this reminds me of our secret room that can be unaccessed by temperature files, but I don't know the room number. I want to go there. I hope I remember. This cheese has been here so long, a magical crystal has grown around it. It's stuck to the table. Squeak. Knowing that the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the mystical crystal, it fills you with determination. 2 hours already? Okay. I'm thinking about getting into telescope business. It's normally 50,000 G2s this premium telescope, but since I know you, you can use it for free. How's about it? Use the telescope? Huh? You aren't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Are you a star? I relocated my store, but there are still no customers. Fortunately, I've thought of a solution. Punch cards. Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have free cards, you can trade them for free ice cream. They're sure to get the customers to come back. Ice cream. It's a frozen treat that warms your heart. No, just 25G. Super. Here we go. Your card's in the box. This is quite a peaceful area. Quite nice. You hear a passing conversation. So, don't you have any wishes to make? Just one, but it's kind of stupid. Bear me to that. Just going too quickly. Small. Spare. It's a pair of bullet shoes. Will you take it? Ring. Hello, this is Papyrus. Remember when I asked you about clothes? Well, the friend who wanted to know. Her opinion of you is very murdery. Well, worry not, dear human. Papyrus would never betray you. I am not a cruel person. I strive to be comforting and pleasant. Papyrus, he smells like the moon. So, because of my inherent goodness, I told her you are not wearing a dusty tutu, even though you told me you were. Instead, I made something up. I told her you were wearing a bandana. It pained me to tell such a good bold-faced lie. I know you would never wear a bandana, but your safety is more important than fashion. Dang, I just want to be friends with everyone. Don't say that, come on, I promise I won't laugh. The power to take their souls. This is the power that the humans feared. Hey there, noticed you are here. I'm Onion-san. Onion-san, you here? You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here. It's great in here. You love it, huh? Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite. Even though the water's getting so shallow here, I have to sit down all the time, but hey, that's okay. It beats moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium, like all my friends did. And the aquarium's full anyway, so even if I wanted to, that's okay though. You're here, and I'm just gonna fix everything. You hear? I'm here. I'm gonna get out of here and live in the ocean. You hear? Hey, there. That's the end of this room. I will see you around. Have a good time. In the waterfall. Sharon hides in the corner but somehow encounters you anyway. You smile. You ask to see Sharon smile too. Sharon gets quieter. In the corner, Aaron nods his head approvingly. Sharon, attack 19 defense 0. Tone deaf. She's too ashamed to sing her deadly song. Tut. You keep smiling, but nothing happened. Hold on. I'm currently not sure what conduct means, and I'm not sure if it's positive or negative. And I don't have data to Google Translate it, so... You hum Anxious Ballad. Sharon follows your melody. Sharon seems much more comfortable singing along. You hum some more, monsters are drawn to the music. Suddenly, it's a concert. Sans is selling tickets made of toilet paper. You hum some more, the seats are sold out. You feel like a rock star. I can't even do that. The crowd tosses clothing, it's a storm of socks. You hum some more, but the constant attention, the tours, the groupies, it's all aggressive to think. Sharon thinks about her future. You and Sharon have come so far, but it's time. You both have your own journeys to embark on. You hum a farewell song. Final toot. You won. It costs nothing to be nice. The Northern Dome hides great treasure. This power has no counter. Indeed, a human cannot take a monster's soul. When a monster dies, its soul disappears, and an incredible power would be needed to take the soul of a living monster. There is only one exception. The soul of a special species of monsters called a boss monster. A boss monster's soul is strong enough to persist after death. If only for a few moments, a human soul could absorb this soul, but this has never happened, and now it never will. It's a statue. The structures at its feet seem dry. Take an umbrella. You took an umbrella. Put the umbrella on the statue. You place the umbrella atop the statue. Inside the statue, a music box begins to play. There's a piano here. Play it. It's a legendary artifact. Will you take it? You're carrying too many dogs. Annoying dog. A little white dog, it's fast asleep. You deploy to the dog. The dog absorbs the artifact. Dog residue. Dog item. Dog-shaped husk shed from a dog's carapace. This is completely normal in Undertale, don't worry. Yo, you got an umbrella? Awesome. Let's go. Man, Undyne is so cool. She beats up bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I would went to bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. So, one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. He ended up coming to school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school? She could beat up all the teachers. Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers? She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you wanna see Undyne, right? Climb on my shoulders. Yo, you go on ahead. Don't worry about me, I always find a way to get through. The humans, afraid of our power, declared war on us. They attacked suddenly and without mercy. In the end, it could hardly be called a war. United, the humans were too powerful and us monsters too weak. Not a single soul was taken, and countless monsters were turned to dust. Round 2. I did not want to talk over that. The waterfall hill seems to flow from the ceiling of the cavern. Occasionally, a piece of trash will flow through and fall into the bottomless abyss below. Viewing this endless cycle of worthless garbage, it fills you with determination. Oh, I am worthless garbage. You rest your hand on the rusted bike. Its horn wheezes a honk of despair. A beat-up desktop computer, the inside is empty. It's a cooler, it has no brand and shows no signs of wear. Inside are a couple of freeze-dried space food bars. Take one, you're crying too much, okay. It's a DVD case for an anime. Disparate claw marks cover the edges. Seems like a regular training dummy. Do you want to beat it up? Nope. You stare into each other's eyes for a moment. Haha. Too intimidated to fight me, huh? I am a ghost that lives inside a dummy. My cousin used to live inside a dummy too. Tell you. Shucks, you were really boring. Then he got annoyed and flew away like any self-respecting spectre. Well then. Boring people are crumbs sticking to the face of this world. Human, I'll wipe you away with the dainty handkerchief of vengeance. This song is a banger. I'm a dummy, check. Attack 30, defense, yes, because they're a ghost, physical attacks will fail. Foolish. Ow, you dummies. Watch where you're aiming your magic attacks. Hey, you, forget I said anything about magic. I'll defeat you and take your soul. I like this fight, must be honest. My dummy is hopping mad. I will use your soul to cross the barrier. then everything I want will be mine. Missed. Huh? Yeah, I guess that will avenge my cousin. Madam is getting cut on all over the dialogue box. What was their name again? Whatever, whatever, whatever! Pitiful, pitiful, pitiful! Feeble, feeble, feeble! Hey guys. Dummies, dummies, dummies. Remember how I said not to shoot at me? Well, failures! You're all being... You're fired. You're all being replaced. Now you'll see my true power. Relying on people that aren't garbage. Mechanical verse fills the room. Dummy bots, magic missiles. Missed. Dummy bots, try again. Dummy bots, you're awful. Dummy bots, final attack. No way. These guys are even worse than the other guys. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? I don't need friends. I've got knives. I'm out of knives. But it doesn't matter. You can't hurt me and I can't hurt you. You'll be stuck fighting me forever. 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 It would be awkward if this killed me. Because this acid rain? Oh, forget it. I'm out of here. Sorry, I interrupted you, didn't I? As soon as I came over, your friend immediately left. Oh no. You guys look like you were having fun. Oh no. I just wanted to say hi. Oh no. Well, I'm going to head home. Oh, feel free to come with if you want, but no pressure. I understand if you're busy. It's fine, no worries. Just thought I would off. Hey, my house is up here, in case you want to see. Or, in any case, you don't. Garson, whoa there, I've got some neat junk for sale. I've been around a long time, maybe too long. Studying history sure is easy when you've lived through so much of it yourself. You don't know what that is? What are they teaching kids in school nowadays? That's the Delta rune. The emblem of our kingdom. The kingdom of monsters. Great name, huh? It's as I always say, all king fluffy bands can't name for beans. That emblem actually predates written history. The original meaning has been lost to time. All we know is that the triangle symbolizes them as monsters below, and the winged circle above symbolizes something else. Most people say it's the angel from the prophecy. Oh, the prophecy. Legend has it, an angel who has seen the surface will descend from above and bring us freedom. Lately, the people have been taking a bleaker outlook, calling that winged circle the angel of death. A harbinger of destruction, waiting to free us from this mortal realm. In my opinion, when I see that little circle, I just think it looks neat. The King Fluffy Buns. He's friendly, happy-go-lucky kind of guy. If you keep walking around long enough, you'll probably meet him. He loves to walk around and talk to people. Eh, why do I call Mr. Dreamer Fluffy Buns? Oh, that's a great story. I don't remember it. But if you come back much later, I'm sure I'll have remembered by then. I haven't actually checked that out. Undyne, yeah, she's local hero around here. Through grit and determination alone, she fought her way to the top of the Royal Guard. Actually, she just came through here asking about someone who looked just like you. I would watch your back, kid, and buy some items. It might just save your hide. Dog residue is actually an interesting item because if you use it, it will fill your inventory with dog residue and dog salad, which can heal random amount of HP, ranging from 2 to 99, which is the limit, which makes it useful in final fights of the game, because it can be infinitely refreshed. What? It's a living. Doesn't seem like anybody's home. It's locked. Oh, you really came. Sorry, I wasn't expecting that. It's not much, but make yourself at home. Oh, are you hungry? I can get you something to eat. This is a ghost sandwich. Do you want to try it? You attempted to bite the ghost sandwich. You faced right through it. Oh, never mind. After a long day, I like to lie on ground and feel like garbage. A family tradition. Do you want to join me? Yes. Okay. Follow my lead. Here we go. You will lie down as long as you don't move. So, only move around when you want to get up, I guess. Well, that was nice. Thank you. Oh, that's my TV. There's a show I like to watch on it sometimes. The computer's internet browser is open to music sharing forum. I'm gonna keep working on that big CD. The CD is labeled Spook Tunes. Play it. The CD is labeled Spook Wave. Play it. The CD is labeled Ghoulie Day Music. Play it. Oh, this one. Once you learn the lyrics, it's hard to not sing along. There's actually a thing that happens. What the heck is that music? I don't know, but dude, it's spooking me out. This is worse than Shire. How dare you? No way, Sharon is well scary. If you're so scared, why do you keep winking? These are wings of fear. Forget it. This beat is too filthy. Wash. Wait, don't leave me. It is creepy music my punishment for being creepy? Please stop. I'll never creep again. I'm working right now. I mean, welcome to Blook Family Snail Farm. Yeah, I'm the only employee. This place used to get a lot of business, but our main customer disappeared one day. Now it's just some hairy guy that shows up once a month. I've been long overdue for a second house. Do you want to play a game? It's called Thunder Snail. The snails will race, and if the yellow snail wins, you win. It's stingy to play. Okay, press Z repeatedly to encourage your snail. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Already sent. You won, congratulations. As a prize you get 9G. Sorry, we have to make a profit somehow. Hurt, beaten and fearful for our lives, we surrendered to the humans. 7 of your greatest magicians sealed us underground with a magic spell. Anything can enter through the seal, but only beings with a powerful soul can leave. There's only one way to reverse the spell. If a huge power, equivalent to 7 human souls, attacks the barrier, it will be destroyed. But this cursed place has no entrance or exits. There's no way a human could ever come here. We will remain trapped down here forever. Except that anyone can enter through the barrier, and there's also, you know, ruins. There's this so-called puzzle, which is quite simple. Special enemy Temmie appears here to defeat you. Check. Temmie. Rated 10 out of 10. Loves to pet cute humans, but you're allergic. Aw, cute. Betsy. Temmie is trying to glump you. Talk. You say hello to Temmie. Hi, Temmie. This is completely normal. Temmie forgot her other attack. Spare. Hi, welcome to Tem Village. Voice cracks are actually useful in this area. Hi, you should check out the Tem shop. Yeah, I agree. You should check the Tem shop. You got the dumb knives. I gotta have the dye knives. I gotta pay for colic. Them always wanna clean knives. No. Okay, then buy day knife for 128G. Hey, I'm Temmie. Hi, I'm Temmie. Stems have deep history. Yeah, go to Tem shop. There's actually infinite money that can be obtained here by purchasing items from Garrison and selling them here. You can earn infinite money because Tem gives you more money than it costs at Garrison. However, I'm too lazy to do that. Mold small is very normal. Attack 6, defense 0. It's a slime mold. Flirt. You wiggle your hips. Suddenly. Goo. Smells like a bait shop. Mold big. Check. Mold big. Attack 18, defense 18. One size greater than mold average. Hug. You hug molds with. Gross slime covers you. Your speed decreased. You lie down. Mold Big lies down too. Mold Big understands life now. Mold Big mills about... You don't hack Mold Big. It appreciates your respect of its boundaries. Slime sound. Mold Big seems comfortable with your presence. Without candles or magic to guide them home, the monsters use crystals to navigate. Bushra and Aaron appear. I defeated both of these, so your love increases. It would help if I wasn't attacked, but it doesn't matter now because I'm done. Behind you, seven human souls. With the power of 7 human souls, our king, King Asgore Dreamer, will become a god. With that power, Asgore can finally shatter the barrier. He will finally take the surface back from humanity, and give them back the suffering and pain that we have endured. Understand, human? This is your only chance at redemption. Give up your soul, or I'll tear it from your body. Undyne, I'll help you fight. You did it. Undyne is right in front of you. You've got front row seats to her fight. Wait, who's she fighting? Hey, you aren't gonna tell my parents about this, are you? You aren't gonna tell my parents about this, are you? You hear a passing conversation. If I say my wish, you promise you won't laugh at me? Of course I won't laugh. Someday I would like to climb this mountain we are all buried under, standing under the sky looking at the world all around. That's my wish. You hear laughter. Hey, you said you wouldn't laugh at that. Sorry, it's just funny. That's my wish too. However, there's a prophecy. The angel, the one who has seen the surface. They will return and the underground will go empty. This has two interpretations, either the angel will free them or kill all them all. There is a different dialect that could be triggered. I'm not sure how. Yo. Yo, I know I'm not supposed to be here, but I want to ask you something. Man, I've never had to ask anyone this before. You're a human, right? Man, I knew it. Well, I know it now. I mean, Undyne told me, stay away from the human. So, like, I guess that makes us enemies or something, but I kinda stink all that. Yeah, say something mean so I can hit you. Please. Nope. Yo, what? So, I have to do it? Here goes nothing. Yo, I hate your guts. Man, I'm such a turd. I'm gonna go home now. Yo, wait, help. I tripped. If you wanna hurt my friend, you're gonna have to get through me first. She's gone. Yo, you really saved my skin. I guess being enemies was just a thought. We'll just have to be friends instead. Man, I should really go home. I bet my parents are worried sick about me. Later, imagine if he tripped again. 7 human souls and King Asgore will become a god. 6, that's how many we have collected thus far. Understand? Through your 7th and final soul, this world will be transformed. First, however, as is customary for those who make it this far, I shall tell you the tragic tale of our people. It all started long ago. No? No. You know what? Screw it. Why should I tell you a story when you're about to die? You're standing in the way of everybody's hopes and dreams. Office's history books made me think humans were compassionate, but you're just a remorseless criminal. You wandered through the cavern, attacking anyone in your path. Self-defense? Please. You didn't kill them because you had to. You killed them because it was easy for you. Because it was fun for you. She clearly doesn't know what I'm doing here. You think it was fun when I found out? Do you think it's fun when people's family members never come home? Is that fun? No. But your time's up, Willem. You won't hurt anyone else. A knight in shining armor has appeared, and all the pain you inflicted on the fallen. Every hope, every dream you've turned to dust. She's gonna send right back through her spear. Yeah, I'll show you how determined monsters truly are. Come on, step forward and let's end this. And I'm the heroine that never gives up. Honestly, When I said face towards danger, I mean face towards the bullets. Look, I gave you a spear to block the bullets with. Do I have to explain this any more clearly? Oh, that's how you could integrate. What are you doing? Just face upward. It's not hard. I love irritating people. I wanted this to be a fair fight. I thought if I beat you like this, it would truly show how strong monsters can be. But now, I don't care. I'm not your freaking kindergarten teacher. Unless your kindergarten teacher does this. That's better. Alright, that was fun. There might be some more dialogue, but you know. Psych. You won't get away from me this time. Honestly, I'm doing you a favor. You think you're a hard enemy? You're not. Never underestimate past la 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 la. Killing you now is an act of mercy. It's not. So stop being so damn resilient. Doodles. You have escaped from me for the last time. I kinda wonder how the previous humans have escaped. I see now what she meant by that. But I'm determined to. Determined to end this. You tell Undyne her attacks are too easy, the bullets get unfair. Do they? They might. Alright, now. Never have I ever failed on purpose. Yeah, very complicated. Ah, die already, you little brat. Can I say that on YouTube? I have no idea what's happening. Okay, that's on me. Toodles. Ring. Hey, what's up? I was just thinking. You, me, and I should all hang out sometime. I think you would make a great pals. Let's meet up at her house later. Yeah, let's do that. That sounds great. See ya. Armor. So hard, but I can't give up. She looks dry. It's a watercolor. Take a cup of water. Take up a cup of water. Give Undyne the water. No recycling? How dare you? What kind of an example is this human setting to players? Oh, you're in hotline now. Hey Sans, aren't you supposed to be here? Don't worry, I am. Phew. Seeing such a strange lab. Wait, hold on. Yeah. Okay, don't mind me just passing through. Tra-la-la, I'm the riverman. Or am I the river woman? It doesn't really matter. I left to ride in my boat. Would you care to join me? Right in the boat? Tra-la-la. Humans, monsters, flowers. Come again sometime. I asked Undyne if you could all hang, but she said something weird. She said she won't hang out with a murderer, but I don't remember murdering anyone. Though I'm a pretty brutal kind of guy. Then she said something about wanting to find some kind of a bad guy, but she stepped out and collapsed in the doorway. So I'm just waiting here in case she needs me, since she hates being quieted or hand and foot. I think we'll all have to hang out later. Oh, I think you have to do it in Pacifist Run to Date and Dina. Alright, I guess I'm doing that later. So, yeah, this is everything you can do in Waterfall. More or less. And I'll be doing Headland in a few seconds. Or minutes because I might take a break. So, yeah, see ya.